Hi creative friends, I'm Jane from Sustain My Craft Habit, and today we're partnering with Cricut to show you 3 sweet and simple projects you can make using the new Cricut Joy. Welcome back to our channel. When Cricut released the Cricut Joy a few months back, we were pretty curious as to how it would complement or go alongside or be better than the Cricut Maker, which we already have. And so over the past few months, we've really tried to put it to use on a number of different projects. And what we found is that it's a super simple and quick way to make all kinds of things. So while today I'm going to show you 3 simple projects you can make step by step, we've also used the Cricut Joy to make labels for our jars for canning. We've made personalized mugs for the teachers as a thank you gift, amongst other projects. So to show you really how versatile the Cricut Joy is, we want to take you through step by step how to make 3 simple projects. So first we're going to use the new Cricut Joy card sets to make this really cute Thanks a Latte card. And even just thinking about how much it costs to buy one really nice thank you card, you'll realize that in a whole set you can make 12 unique, one-of-a-kind and beautiful cards, making it really good value for the dollar. The other project that we're going to show you is an easy iron-on project using iron-on vinyl. So for example, you can take any plain tea towel and embellish it with a really pretty iron-on design, just to make it unique and a little extra special. And for the third project, we're going to show you how you can use permanent vinyl to create really cute art, such as our Time to Relax sloth art for your home office, craft room, or as a gift idea. So let's get started.
First, I'm going to show you how to make a pretty thank you card. For this project, you'll need the Cricut Joy, the insert cards, as well as the card mat. To begin, open up Design Space, and you want to search in the projects for the Cricut Joy greeting cards. You can see here that there's dozens of really beautiful templates to choose from. So here they are, Cricut Joy Insert Cards. And they keep adding different designs to Design Space. What you want to do next is search for latte, which will bring up the Thanks a Latte card. The project description shows you everything that you need and the steps that you need to make the card. And once you're ready, you just press Make It. You want to make sure that your Cricut Joy is selected as your device in Design Space. The project will now load up, and all you need to do is specify whether you're using the card mat and the size of the cards that you plan to make. Finally, press Make It, and it'll prompt you for the next steps. To make it truly foolproof, Cricut has even designed these helpful card mats. All you have to do is slide the card that you'd like to cut into the card mat and fold it over. And then the whole piece gets put right into your Cricut Joy to cut out. So this is perfect because it won't cut through the other side of the cardstock paper. Once it's cut, simply remove it from the Cricut Joy and peel gently the card off of the mat. This side of the mat is sticky, a little sticky, so you just have to take a bit of time, slide your card out, and it's all cut. So the last step is just to insert your decorative contrasting card inserts in behind the cuts, just to have that really pretty contrast. Now these 2 pieces actually came from 2 separate card sets, one that had the vellum polka dot insert, which is really pretty and reflective, and then we also love how it contrasted with the teal piece here, which was actually part of the original card insert set that the beige colored card came from. And that's it. You have your beautiful Thanks a Latte card. I mean, there's so many people for us to thank these days for all the wonderful things that they're doing. And so this is a wonderful way to make something special for them. If you'd like, you can even add a gift card for their favorite coffee shop, and you have a thoughtful gift idea for someone special. Next up, we're going to show you how easy it is to add an embellishment to anything with the iron-on. So for this project, you'll need Cricut Joy, iron-on vinyl, a tea towel, weeding tool scissors, And we use the Easy Press Mini, or you could use an iron. One of the nice things about using the Joy is that while you can buy the Smart Vinyl, which is already pre-cut to size, you can also use the vinyl that you have and cut it down to size to fit into the Cricut Joy mat. So this is really great because it let us use all the vinyl that we already have on hand. So to begin, we opened a new project in Cricut Design Space. And you're going to search for this particular pattern design, and we'll leave the link to that or the code in the description below. So next we want to resize it to 4 inches high because the Cricut Joy, the widest cut you can make with it is 4.5 inches. So you just want to size your pieces so that they fit on the mat, and you specify that you are using a mat rather than a Smart Vinyl. Because it is an iron-on project, you want to flip the design. And once it's set, you just hit Make It and follow the prompts to insert your Cricut Joy mat with the vinyl placed on it, and then it will cut out your pretty design. This just takes a few minutes, as with any other project. The cut comes out nice and clean, and then you just can, to help with the weeding, cut the piece down to size for what your design is, and use your weeding tool and gently pull off any excess vinyl from the iron-on backing. This is a part of the project that some people don't like to do. I actually love the weeding process. It's kind of therapeutic. It does take a little bit of time, and it helps to be extra careful, but it's really fun to watch the design almost come to life, pop off of the backing. Well, we're showing you this project with a simple tea towel. Really, we hope you can see that the possibilities truly are endless. You can add an iron-on decal to shirts, baby clothing, hats. Really, the sky is the limit. Any fabric. We've even added our iron-on vinyl to wood signs, and we have a post with that project on the blog. But it's a really fun way to even personalize any object to make as a gift idea. So once your vinyl is fully weeded, you will simply use your heat source. We use the Cricut Easy Press Mini for this project, and you want to heat up your surface a bit, apply the iron-on vinyl face down, iron it on, peel off the backing, and you're good to go. So this is, again, perfect for a summer picnic, a spring picnic, or just to give as a gift alongside some other kitchen items, for instance, for a wedding shower. And last but not least, we wanted to show you how you can make this adorable home decor project a time to relax sign. You'll need the Cricut Joy, a small canvas, premium vinyl, transfer tape, as well as scissors and a weeding tool. Again, you'll open up Design Space, and this time you will upload a design rather than using designs already in Design Space. This art piece we created for our readers, and you can download the SVG, which you'll use from the blog. Again, I'll leave the link in the description below. So once you upload the SVG file into Design Space, you can resize it to fit onto your mat. So here it's sized to about 4 inches high and 4.5 inches wide. That's the widest limit for the Cricut Joy. And once you have it sized, you're going to press Make It. Again, we didn't have, while you could use the Smart Vinyl, so then you would choose without a mat. We had this vinyl that we added onto one of the Cricut Joy mats. And so we selected that option and hit Make It. And this is just showing you how you can cut down vinyl that you already have to be 4.5 inches wide, and then add it simply to the Cricut Joy mat. And now it's cutting out our design. This is a glossy permanent vinyl, and it just provides a really nice sheen. You can see here it's all cut out. And now we're going to cut the excess off to reuse for future projects. and then weed the excess vinyl from the backing. Again, my favorite part of the project. Especially nice with the black vinyl because you really see the pieces coming up. So the permanent vinyl you can use again for any projects that are more of a solid surface. We also use this for wood. We're using this for this canvas. You can use it for glass and different projects like that. And so now all you need to do is use the transfer tape. This is another piece of, it's basically a clear sticky tape designed specifically for these projects, which help you transfer the vinyl from the backing here onto your project. So you can see we're pressing the transfer tape onto the vinyl just to try to get it to stick there. And then once feel that it's got a good stick to it, we're going to peel it off of the backing. Sometimes it takes a bit of wiggling and maneuvering to get it, but there you go. It's coming right off in one piece, and now you use that to apply it to the canvas. And it will transfer from your transfer tape onto the canvas with a little bit of coaxing. We like to try to reuse our transfer tape a couple times. Sometimes the first time you use it, it's quite sticky. But after one or two uses, then it makes it easier to come off, the design to come off of the transfer tape. And then we put the backing on and reuse it in other projects. So see here, this was brand new transfer tape, so it's just giving us a little bit of a hard time to come off of, but again, with a little bit of coaxing, it will go. And this kind of wiggling side to side we find is the most effective way to get the vinyl off of the transfer tape. So there you go. Once your little sloth is on the canvas, you're done. You have a fun little decor piece for your home office, for your craft room, even like the living room as a reminder to relax sometimes when we're go, or give it to a friend who you think is working way too hard. And I'm sure they'll appreciate Slothy here.
We hope you enjoyed this video and were able to see how quick and easy it is to make projects using the Cricut Joy. Like, we love how portable it is, that you can really pull it out whenever the inspiration or a need strikes for a project or a quick gift idea. We also appreciate that of all the cutting machines that Cricut makes, this is probably the most affordable one for the beginner. It doesn't need a lot of additional add-ons and tools, and you can basically get started with what comes in the box. But you can also use it with paper, cardstock, everyday vinyl, iron-on vinyl, patterned vinyl, all sorts of different materials. So thanks so much for watching. For more Cricut Joy project ideas, visit us at sustainmycrafthabit.com, and be sure to like this video and subscribe for more nature-inspired DIY and craft ideas each week. Bye!